It's Rick and Tammy. And guess what we got? We got our package. Open it over here. This is our package. He got. We've been waiting forever for it. And we finally got it. Oh. Oh, wow.
Someone's a little shorter.
Well, it was supposed to be. Look how pretty that is. It's rainbow. Show them all the colors. Well, not there.
Well, it's gotta be in...
Can you bring it over here?
The lens is in the light, it's chrome. Kinda hard to see.
Can you pass it? See, look how cool this is, guys.
It's hard to see, you gotta look in the light.
A quick release. So beautiful. It's a bunch of different colors. It's rainbow. I love it. So we got our second quick release. Took forever. We were supposed to get this one first, but we got the blue one.
I'm gonna have to put the steering wheel on it first.
To open it?
Yeah.